In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from Dropbox to OneDrive. This is a simple process, and the easiest way to think about it is in two parts. First, getting the files out of Dropbox and then uploading them into OneDrive. As you follow along, make sure you stay signed in to both accounts so the transfer goes smoothly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account. Once that's open, create a new browser tab and go to the OneDrive website, then sign into your Microsoft OneDrive account there as well. Having both accounts open at the same time makes it much easier to move back and forth without losing your place. Next, go back to Dropbox. Click on Files so you can view everything stored in your account. Find the file or folder you want to transfer. Once you've selected it, right-click and choose Download. At this point, Dropbox will start preparing the file or folder for download, and depending on the size, this may take a little time. Wait until the download fully finishes before moving on. In most cases, the downloaded item will be saved to your computer's Downloads folder unless your browser is set up differently. After the download is complete, switch over to OneDrive. At the top of the page, click Upload. You'll normally see the option to upload either files, if you're transferring individual documents, or folder, if you downloaded an entire folder and want to keep that structure intact. Choose the option that matches what you downloaded, then locate the downloaded files on your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. Select them and click Open or Upload to begin sending them to OneDrive. Leave the browser tab open while the upload completes. If you want an even easier method, you can also use drag and drop. Open the folder on your computer where the Dropbox downloads were saved, then keep OneDrive open in your browser. Simply drag the files from your computer and drop them directly into the OneDrive window. This can feel faster and more intuitive, especially if you're moving multiple files. Once everything has uploaded, take a moment to confirm that the transfer is complete. Open the destination folder in OneDrive and make sure all of your files are visible. It's also a good idea to open a few of them to check that they uploaded correctly and aren't missing any content. That final check helps ensure your transfer from Dropbox to OneDrive was successful.